In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be covering a single leg calf raise, but we're going to be using a bag. So what's the point in using a bag? Why don't we just use a dumbbell? Now, firstly, for people that are on the go a lot, so maybe people that travel or they have to bring a suitcase for work and they're kind of here, there and everywhere, the bag is brilliant because we always have a bag with us generally. However, we don't always have dumbbells. The other reason is if I'm using dumbbells for a single leg calf raise, I'm either going to have one hand that's unavailable if I've got a dumbbell in one hand, or if I've got two dumbbells, that means that I've got no basis for support if I need to bring my hand out because I'm going to have dumbbells in both my hands, right? So this is where the beauty of the bag comes in. It's transportable. We can always load it up with loads of books or household objects or anything you've got in your suitcase when you travel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bag, pop it around my shoulders. And once I've popped it around my shoulders, you'll notice that both my hands are going to go on this wall. Now, if you don't want to use anything for support or balance, you want to do the harder variation, please do. But I would recommend you have something just in case you need it. So I'm actually going to bring my feet a lot closer and more narrow than I ever usually would for a calf raise. And this is because one of my legs is going to come off the floor. So I'm going to bend this knee. So I'm going to flex the knee on my right side because I'm only going to do my left side in this example. And I raise up onto my forefoot on my toes, squeezing my gastroc, so my calf muscle, and coming slowly back down. So again, I come up, squeeze my calf muscle, and come slowly back down. And you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. And that is how to do a bag calf raise on one leg.